Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 10th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So on gold, we are finally pushing up pretty decent, which is nice because all last week I was saying that this whole first push down is likely an A or maybe a 1, and that we should be either in a B or a 2 right now. A B or a 2 is a pullback to the whole move down, so the trading strategy right now for a B or a 2 is exactly the same. It doesn't matter what it is because we'd primarily be looking for logs on sort of time frames. I think it at least needs to go to this 50 or the 61% Fibonacci retracement because that's where our last, drop-based drop zone was. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely recommending logs. All last week I was recommending logs. Very, very slow market last week, but it finally broke to the upside. I think it at least needs to go up and take out these highs because a wave B or a wave 2 almost always breaks structure from the wave 1 or the wave A. So that's why I think I would probably target at least the 61%, which is right below the $4,200 area. Like I said, I wouldn't be trying to go long right this minute. Maybe go down to a much, much shorter time frame and look for longs, or wait for pullbacks on this time frame and continue to look for longs for the continuation of either a wave B or a wave 2 to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.